Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to add transitions using CapCut. Now let's begin. Do note that right now I'm on the CapCut PC version and later on, we will work on the web version of CapCut as well. As you can see, I have already dragged these two items to the timeline. Now on the top of the navbar, you will find something like transitions. It might be in between effect and filters. Simply click on this transition. And as you can see, there are lots of transitions available here, like overlay, camera, blur. You can select from anyone among them. For instance, I'm simply going to select this one, click and drag it between these two videos. Let's click on OK. Now let's try to play the video. And that's how you add a transition on CapCut PC. I'm again going to delete this transition so you guys can see what the video looks like without this transition. And now let's move on to the CapCut web version. In the CapCut web version, I have also already dragged these two elements to the timeline. Well, let's look at the left side of the screen. You will find something like this that is called a transition. If you do not find it, just scroll down and you will find transition somewhere over here. Well, I have already clicked on this transition. You can click on it if you have not. Now there are lots of transitions like on CapCut PC. Select whichever one you wish, click and drag it between these two videos. I'm gonna play it. Let's look at the video without the transition. And that's it guys, that's how you add a transition on CapCut PC. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.